Okay, there's three aspects of color mixing that I want to talk about. And I've already mixed up these colors because it takes a lot of time to do it. What I've got here is a simple palette with the white and yellow and red and blue, different shades of. And I want to first of all talk about the color, the hue, just the thing that you normally think of in color. This is a yellow, this is an orange, this is a red, this is another is a darker red, this is a blue, and these are blues. That's the hue. Okay, that's the simple thing that everybody understands. A second thing, though, is the lightness and or value of the paint. So this is a dark blue, and this is a light blue, and so I can do that by starting with the dark blue and mixing lighter blues together. And there's a point where you can't really mix any lighter blue without adding some white, so then you're forced to use some white. Similarly, I can take an orange and make it lighter by adding a bit of yellow. And there's only so much you can do there, and it stops looking orange. You can also put a bit of white in it, and you get a lighter orange. But notice that this is different than this. This is more of a chalky orange, and this is a brighter orange. So when you use a yellow to lighten the color, you get a brighter color. If whenever you want to keep it bright, use the color and not white. Okay, so that brings up the two other aspects of color mixing. One is the value or darkness and lightness of the color, and so you can see that in this. You can see that to some extent in this as well. But then there's another, the third aspect, and that is how intense the color is, or how saturated the color is. So I've taken a regular blue here, a bright blue, and a dark orange, and I've mixed them in a series. A little bit of orange in this one, a little more orange in this one, a little more orange, etc., all the way through. And what happens is I can take a blue like this and make it less intense by adding its opposite color, this orange, a little bit, and a little bit more. And I can, in exactly the opposite way, if I want to make this orange less intense, I put a bit of the blue in it. So saturation, value, and hue.